Hello. This is Kostas Albanidis, and today's video I'm gonna showcase the amazing new features that FlexClip added to its platform. FlexClip is one uh, of the great web app video creation platforms, and trust me, you're gonna love it. First of all, I would like to let you know that you can uh, test it for free. You can subscribe for free and start creating your own videos. Okay, you're gonna have some bonus credits. You're gonna be able to create many stuff to find out all those amazing tools that it provides you. It has tons of amazing ready-made templates for anything you want. You can create anything you want. I'm gonna write, for example, Halloween, and as you're gonna see, it's gonna give me so many and so great, amazing um, templates, and which you can easily use and for all for any of your projects. Um, I'm gonna showcase all those features. I have already created several videos about FlexClip, and I'm sure some of you know the tool and you know all the capabilities. But because it's getting better and better, and all the updates they make FlexClip a perfect and valuable tool for any. Any seasonal video creator, any advertising agency, anyone that wants to create videos for fun, and anyone that wants to create videos for clients and advertise other people software services or products. So, to this video, we're gonna start checking all those new features and all those new AI tools that has been added to FlexClip. There are a lot, so you're gonna see a lot of videos with FlexClip, and uh, trust me, you're gonna love each one of those. And as I'm going to showcase all those tools, you're going to find out where technology is going on, and what is going on with technology, and what is going on with AI, and um, how big steps we have made in front, and we go to another generation of video creation. Stay tuned, and you're gonna love this series of FlexClip videos. You're gonna love all those videos about those amazing tools. I'm gonna try to be to create short videos, not that long, so that you get the idea of what each one of those AI tools is doing, and how you can use it and adapt it to your projects, and to your video creation. Um, Stay tuned, and remember, you can create. You can create any kind of videos using AI or without AI, because when you use uh, FlexClip, if you're gonna see here, if I'm gonna choose this one, you can easily select what kind of video you want to create. You get even with the templates, you get the music, you get all the actions, you get everything, the photos and anything you want, and you can just publish to your social media, or create and sell for other customers. Um, Okay, that's gonna be just an intro about all those things we're gonna see about FlexClip. Stay tuned, and you're gonna love this series. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.